Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can solve this error that you get in UPI. So if you have entered a wrong password or a PIN code multiple times, so it will show this error. It says that exceeded the maximum registration attempts. Then it will say that in 24 hours it will reset. Sometimes it will get reset within 24 hours, or if you try to put that pin again and again, then it may not. It will say that you have exceeded the maximum registration attempts. So it will say please try after some time. So I will show you how you can resolve that issue. So in this case you will have to reset your UPI pin, so that you have to go to your mobile device, open Google Pay, and on top right your profile picture you will see the bank account. Select the bank account that you want to edit, then tap forget UPI pin. Then you will see follow on screen instructions for resetting your UPI pin. So if you have entered two wrong UPI pins in the last 24 hours, you will find a warning in the payment attempt. So I'll show you how you can do that. So you can see this, you will see this warning, check UPI pin before paying, right? If you have entered your UPI pin incorrectly 3 times within 24 hours, your UPI payment will be temporarily blocked and you will find an alert or change in the UPI pin before attempting your payment. So in that case, so see this, attempts allowed per day to reset a pin. You can try to reset your pin up to 3 times every 24 hours. So if you go over the maximum number of attempts per day, if you make 3 incorrect attempts to reset your UPI pin, you will be blocked from your account for 24 hours on all UPI applications. So for you to reset the UPI pin, you can go there and say the reset your UPI pin option, that is by tapping the forget UPI pin. So once you click on forget UPI pin, then you will enter this screen where it will ask to enter your debit ATM card information. So you can enter it and get it yourself verified and set the UPI pin. So basically it worked and I was able to set the UPI pin and my UPI account is operational again. Thank you very much and subscribe for more such interesting and useful videos.